This is a short English story, which story help you practice listening and speaking with simple expression. Listen carefully and practice more. Now let's get started.
Hey Rafi, good morning.
Oh, hi Mitu. Good morning.
Where are you going?
I am going to college. What about you?
Same here. I have an English class today.
Great, I also have English in the first period.
Do you like English classes?
Yes, I love learning new words. What about you?
I enjoy speaking practice more. It helps me in real life. What do you want to do after college?
I want to study abroad. I'm preparing for IELTS.
That's nice. I want to be a software engineer.
Wow, that's great. I believe you can do it.
Thank you so much. I hope your dream comes true too.
Okay then, it was really nice talking to you.
Same here. Let's meet again tomorrow.
Sure, bye for now.
Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Let's learn English today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.